Can this recharging technique revive an aerosol spray can that has a damaged nozzle? Start by assessing whether the nozzle itself is the root cause or if the can has lost propellant pressure. Remove the nozzle and inspect it closely for cracks, deformation, or blockages visible at the tip and the internal straw seat. If the nozzle is intact but clogged, soak it in isopropyl alcohol for several minutes, then blow through it with a hand pump or compressed air at low pressure until liquid and residue clear. If the nozzle shows physical damage, replace it with an identical nozzle from another can or a compatible spare, making sure the stem diameter and valve seat match so you do not cause leaks. Before attempting a full recharge, test the valve by depressing the valve stem with a clean tool, while the can is upright and listening for a hissing release. No sound means the valve or internal passage is obstructed or empty. When recharging, restore only the specified propellant type compatible with the product and add small increments while monitoring pressure and temperature. Never overfill and avoid introducing contaminants that can clog the valve or nozzle. If the can has lost all liquid or the liquid is compromised, transfer the remaining contents into a clean container using a siphon technique, and then refill a suitable replacement can or use a new container altogether. 3 common mistakes are forcing a damaged nozzle back onto the valve and expecting normal spray, using the wrong propellant or overpressurizing during recharge, and attempting to clear clogs by inserting sharp objects that damage internal passages. For a forced nozzle, do not persevere with it. Replace the nozzle and test the valve on its own to confirm flow. If the wrong propellant is used or too much is added, depressurize safely and do not use the can, then obtain the correct propellant and follow manufacturer guidelines for pressure levels. If someone jams a wire or pin into the nozzle tip, that can push debris into the valve. Instead, remove and soak the nozzle. And if the valve is clogged, consider professional servicing or safe disposal of the can. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and helps contractors find jobs by listing project opportunities and profiles that connect people directly. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share troubleshooting tips, product experiences, and step-by-step advice related to tasks like spray can maintenance.